Hi, Richard Freudenberger here for Living Web Farms, and today I want to show you how to make some hand sanitizer. So based on the World Health Organization formula, very simple, using very readily available household ingredients. And the first one is isopropyl alcohol. This is a 91% alcohol, an antiseptic isopropyl, not the 70% rubbing alcohol, but this is available at the drugstore. If you want an alternative, we can always go with this 100% or 200 proof pharmaceutical or Everclear type ethanol alcohol. It's a little harder to get and it's more expensive, but we can always use that. That's a stronger version, but that doesn't hurt anything. We also have an ingredient of a 3% hydrogen peroxide and some honey to help smooth the skin. It's a little less sensitive on the skin for the rubbing part of it. So that's the ingredients, and we'll add a little distilled water at the end to balance things out. So the first thing you want to do is use 1 cup of the 91% antiseptic alcohol. And measuring it, it's not absolutely critical. We try to be careful, but we don't have to be all that meticulous in measuring it. We've got 8 ounces right there. We'll put in 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. That's really there to help keep the contents clean and sterilize the honey that we're going to put in later in the container. Once it's out of the container, the peroxide just dissipates anyway. And then we'll just put in a half a tablespoon of honey. Just give it a little bit of smoothness on the skin so it doesn't dry out. We'll mix it in there. It's a little difficult to get off the spoon, but I'll get it off here. You can also whisk it if you have problems with it, but it pretty well stirs in all right. All right. And then we're going to add really just a little bit of water. That's going to it's going to give us more volume. We don't want, I would say about 20% additional at the most. It's going to lower the proof. We want our target goal is 75% alcohol for the entire mixture. So we can just add just really a little bit more, just a little bit above the line there, maybe like that. As I said, it's not rocket science. It's just, we can get close enough, we can mix it up. And then you can just see what it feels like here. It's just, we normally put this in a spray bottle. You can just see how that is. It feels pretty good, and it dries off just like a regular hand sanitizer. A little bit of a different feel, a little bit different odor, but it's a decent sanitizer. You put it on tool handles, you can put it on door handles, on surfaces, whatever you want. So that should be it.